V1SE non-removal unbind. The following conditions need to be met in order to unbind mobile phone. V1SE is in the latest version. Mobile phone models are from XR14PM. Mobile phone version are in 15.0-16.1.2. Open Check M8 app on V1SE. Connect mobile phone to V1SE with a USB cable. Click Trust on mobile phone. Click Unbind now. V1SE will install Check M8 app in mobile phone automatically. Click Settings, Find, VPN and Device Management, and General Interface. Open Baosteel Orb Corporation and Enterprise app. Click Trust. Click Trust. Open Check M8 app. It displays the Start Unbinding. You can check the unbinding access in mobile phone. Click OK on the pop-up window, then click OK. When it shows Unbind successfully, Check M8 app will be uninstalled automatically. Unbind without dismantling successfully.